Ready?
Yeah.
Good morning, Team Ismash. How is everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. As you guys can see, alright, Rick's Cafe, Big Rail, the sweet bike parish. Bike parish. So, yeah, that's Big Rail.
7 Mile Beach. Talk again.
So, for today I'm here with Janelle. And Janelle apart today. You want to show yourself? Guys, feel like millenniums. Hey! Feel like millenniums. Them are one day may still even far. Janelle is still here, guys. She accompanied me. She is accompanying me here at Rick's Cafe. And today we are going to jump food. Actually, guys, she learned how to swim. So me and her are going to jump, we're going to film it, and we're going to have fun. You are going to. Yeah, she is going to jump, guys. So tag along and enjoy this beautiful vlog with me and Janelle here at Rick's Cafe, Jamaica. How you do? Afraid of the sun?
Yes.
Jeez, sun wicked over here, but you're a Jamaican. Get used to it. Get used to it. So the last time I came here, down there, so I jumped from. Up here, so it was way too high for me. See that? And up here, so is the famous jump. I don't know how high that is. No jumping is allowed outside the designated jump site. Jump site 35 feet high. So from here so to down there so is 35 feet. So up there so is another 20 feet. So I'm guessing it's around 55 feet, 60 feet up here. So that's crazy. But you guys will be witnessing me jumping from down here so today, and probably just maybe. Wow, somebody just jumped off. That's crazy.
I can't step up the side.
You can if you want, but it's not recommended. So you want this to be your first jump?
Yeah.
Well, nobody's even over here. So everybody around here.
It look rough like.
Come here.
Oh God. Yeah, I see it.
You look cold. That's great. Oh, see? That line here. You look apart.
Yeah.
Dark shades on my white tees. Pick up my car keys. When the girls I'm see with them, so we whitey, my piece. See me and I come and make a light, girl, you're right. I will be your body for the night. You're not regular, you're like a Porsche or a kite. Tell God bless you every night, I'm a prayer. Couple million in the low bag. We still don't beat them, bud.
No, I'm fine.
You're too much of a scaredy cat, man.
We still don't beat them, bud. Real boss, 6 boss, them a mad. Cause a nation a beat them bad. Go ahead, them a go like gala where you bad. We know have to brag, your gala give we job. Oh God, 6 nation a beat them bad. Forever.
Yo, them bad, man. Yo, them bad. So, I go you scared. Somebody has to do it for the vlog, right?
Yeah, gonna know?
Alright, now we get ready. You're not coming?
Not yet.
Bro.
Funny.
Drum, being here at Rick's Cafe. Janelle, ready?
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Mr. Bravery looking so scared. The water?
It's a bit close to the ladder. My place is ready. The water is going to when by the time we go to party can swim. Your turn now. Yeah.
I know about all that.
Is it close to the wall as we say? Bro?
Yeah, look it,
bro?
that's white.
But you know to tread the water better than I do.
Yeah, but I'm afraid of heights.
Yeah, it's an easy part. Woo! Ismash, let's get it! Woo! Crazy. Your turn. Cheese and pea. You ready? Cheese. Guys, Janelle is afraid. I don't know if her boots are. Why are you afraid? It's just water. You can't land any further than the sand there beneath the water. I'm in the club. Come in, dig for Team Ismash. Gerard, Janet, 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 Janet.
Yeah, go in there now.
I have my bag, I have to watch my bag.
Dashan.
Oh, that bird up. Is that a bird? Is that a plane? It's Superman! Look at that, guys.
My heart's already.
That's crazy. Put the ball. Don't put the ball. Don't put the ball.
All right, folks, we're about to have a big night right now. His name is Ferdinand. Caribbean Sea. It's windy and he's nasty. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fly!
Janelle shake. Wow. Yeah, I see rainbow, I see rainbow.
Gone down now.
What color is rainbow?
The light reflecting off of the water at a certain angle.
That's crazy. Tell Team Ismash say I got it. Tell Team Ismash say I got it. Janelle.
I'm going to go down there some first.
Alright, go down there some first. Baby steps, baby steps. Yeah, jump out that way. Baby steps. Yeah. 2, 1, yeah! Easy. Easy. Yeah. Easy done. Yeah, horrible, man. I tell her right there. So rough. What was it?
My nose are running.
But I go down there. You want to come in for your whole pattern down.
When I was going towards the ladder, like it legit have me so.
Yeah.
I need to carry my down. I need to carry my phone.
Crazy one. And up next. What should I? Up next is the one and only, the impeccable, the unbreakable, the undefeated, Janet. You want to try?
No.
Then stop. Take a pose. Take a beat. Walk it. Walk it. Walk it. Dancer. Walk it. Walk it. Walk it. Walk it.
Ladies, are you ready to get fit? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11, so we got.
Look at him up there. Oh. Guys, I don't know what to do. Guys, that shot up there scared like. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it.
He needs some milk.
Ismash, I did it. Janet, I did it. Yo, never in a million years I thought I would ever do something as crazy as that. That's crazy. It was actually this one and not that one. Woo! Guys! Wow.
Come on, darling. Come on.
Guys, no joke, it is scary. And this is high, 35 feet, 36 feet. Bro, you don't understand until you're literally here and on that precipice. It's crazy. But I don't think I'm gonna conquer that one today, the 35 feet. Maybe another day. Whoa, I'm a little chicken, bro. Maybe another day. But here's Cafe. It has been amazing. Crazy.
Hey, big up the youths them. It's your girl Lil Tiff. Axel Record. Yo, we work hard for it somewhere in our life. From people we still try kill up. Them don't know why you read so far. I just Christ, but them grudge I feel one day.
It's your first time in Nicaragua. Let me see your hands. Come on.
Alright.
All right. In America.